Everybody, welcome to South Sudan. Juba is the capital. Juba is the cup. Everybody come in, come in, come in. Breaking news. Now I can see that people are very bad in South Sudan. There are bad people in South Sudan. Bad people who always carry horrible news, bad news, evil news just to frustrate the government of South Sudan. Now, something beautiful happened in South Sudan. They did not come and they did not tell me. Thank God I see it myself. Savaki, 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 he do this, Savaki, he do that. What is this? What is this called? I forget. Wait, I will remember. I forget what they used to say. It's a government of Dinka. It's a government of Dinka. You see, they will always post bad thing, pressurize, fight up and down. But no, something beautiful is about to happen in South Sudan. They did not tell me. I told you my camera is in South Sudan. My camera is in Sudan. Everybody, all neighboring country, everybody all over the world, come and sit down. And let me give you this gist coming from Sudan. South Sudan is hot. Do you know that South Sudan will be hosting their election December 2026? Clock it. Clock it. Since the independence of South Sudan, since 2011 up to 2026, 15 years, South Sudan gained independence. They never do election. Lo and behold. God bless South Africa. President Ramaphosa, may you live long. For coming in this crucial, very delicate moment of South Sudan that people are dying up and down. You come in, you assist and support the South Sudan government to arrange for election. You support them with pilot board. You support them with South Africa. South Africa. L'Africa. South Africa. So God will bless you. You've been the great forefathers. You've been the great leadership when it comes to SADC organization. God will keep you alive. Nothing will happen to you, Ramaphosa. You gave South African a water to drink and tell them cool down. A lot of Africa don't know what is going on in South Sudan because most of African people, they are not interested in their problem of their brother. They don't want to see what their brother is going through. Countless times I've been making videos saying they are fighting in South Sudan. They are unaliving themselves because they say they want power change, they want regime change, they want election, they want to do this and that. They are unaliving themselves. Tribe on tribe, tribal war. South Africa, I'm the only one who know what you do. That is why I'm the only one who can appreciate you. South Sudan government, South Africa, God bless you. God bless you, God protect you. South Africa will not fall. God will protect South Africa. I hear a story, my ear a block from South Sudan. My ear block. It's been problem upon problem upon problem. You do this, you take our this, you take our that, you carry our cow, you arrest our president. It's been problem. But thank God now South Sudan will be having their election and I will be to campaign. So South Sudan, let Savaki rest. Okay? Now you want to give you election. Let this man rest. President Savaki, come closer. God bless you. I've said before that you love South Sudan and you've worked, you've tried. At least we respect you for collecting that independence, be part of the struggle, and be the first South Sudan president, from the independent. May God bless you. Papa, you have tried. Maybe South Sudan, they don't know. They are just tired of, many things is stressing them. But me, I know. I know you are a good man. Please let the election be fair and free election. Make it make sense so that your name will remain in the history of South Sudan, that you are the man who bring peace. You are the man who bring democracy. And democracy with rules. Let nobody come and use democracy to come and destroy South Sudan. Let them not try to come and use democracy to destroy South Sudan. South Sudan is on their own, having their problem. Let no bastard come and destroy South Sudan more than what they ever have. So, Papa, you have worked hard. You do a lot that is not good. And you have done a lot that is good. But people may not see what you have done that is good. But I'm telling you, please arrange the election well. Even if South Sudan don't want to talk about you, we from the border, we can talk about you. We can be the one to tell your story. You fought, you've wounded, You jump from the plane, you jump from many things, you are fighting, you never run away in the bush. I hear a lot of story about you, President Salva Kiir. A lot. I hear a lot of series of story about South Sudan. That is why I said, calm down. Attacking the president may not help the nation. That is why I said, let the people of South Sudan come back together before and be one. And they can use one voice to fight for the election or to fight for the regime change without massacring themselves. I hope the new president will be able to calm South Sudan down. I hope they are going to get the president of their choice. I pray they are going to have peace after this election. I pray the election will hold by fire, by the power of Holy Ghost. Nothing will change. South Sudan, relax. Relax. You don't need to hate me. South Sudanese, I don't hate you. But just that because you don't listen, you don't want to hear that you are wrong. You don't want me to tell you the truth. You just want me to keep attacking your government, curse your government, insult your government, and you are not getting no result. You are not getting no change. It's not good for you. It's not safe for you. I take a calm down and I tell you, stop fighting Dinka, Nuer, Dinka, Equatorial. Stop it. Calm down, drink water, hold yourself together, and make the nation great. A lot of you don't like what I say. I don't understand. But now election is coming. SSD. Viva South Sudan. We want the best to come for you. Because I know you are going through a lot. You see hell. You see heaven. You see a lot. And sometimes it pains me when I see that you are carrying arm against yourself as a civilian. Don't think I hate you. I see a lot of people testing me, calling me higher, this one, higher, that one. Talk about this president. I don't want to, I don't want to help you destroy the nation. I don't want to do that. I know it's not easy to be a military rule and number one president from independent. You may not know, but at least appreciate Salva Kiir for small. He commits crime. He do the what? For the fact that he give independence. It's part of the struggle of people who gave independence. And he hold the nation for 15 years. No problem. Let's appreciate him for that struggle. And now when the new president comes, we can see what he do for the nation. But believe me, peace is the only thing that can help you in South Sudan. Oneness, unity, holding yourself together, having one voice to speak against oppressor. That is the only thing that can save you. Stop saying Dinka government. Stop saying Nuer government. Stop saying Equatorial government. Let the nation rest. Let the nation rest. You people are stressing this nation. You're stressing the land. You're stressing the... It's tiring. Even me, I tire. But thank God the election will come. And we are going to be here to campaign for anybody you people want. How are you now ready for the election? How are you prepared? Who is your candidate? Everybody, who is your candidate? I'm happy to bring the news to you. The first election in South Sudan. South Africa, may God bless you. May you expand. May you forever be great. South Africa. Hey, God. Only me know what South Africa just do. To bring this man to the table of election. To bring Salva Kiir to the table of election. Only me and Ramaphosa know what they go through. But thank you once again, President Salva Kiir, for thinking that your nation needs to go forward. Thank you for deciding, okay, you don't like me, take the nation and take it to wherever you want. Thank you for stepping down in the right moment. Thank you for giving them the benefit of that they can rule the nation. At least go home and rest. Go home, drink water, and watch South Sudan. You've done your best. You've done more than your best. Let the next generation of South Sudan push the nation forward. They are looking for more things that they are expecting that you cannot give them. So, I'm supporting this election, and the election will hold. South Sudan will have their president of their choice. I'm telling you. And I'm happy for you all in South Sudan. But sometimes, when I tell you the truth, don't come and shock me. You people want to come and do like this to me. What is that? What is that? What is that? That's sometimes I used to get angry when I talk about South Sudan. Because you want to press me and colonize me. You want to just colonize me. It's not even nice. But I'm just taking to nice because I don't want all of us to crash. I take it nicely. But congratulations, South Sudan, for your election. And we know the best is coming for South Sudan. And the best is coming from all nations that is going through stress. I will be happy to come and see you in your election. And we get a new president that comes to Juba. Then goes to South Sudan. Hey, I'm coming to Juba.